What is going on, everybody? It's Black Shadow here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the DDT. This boy right here is a very fast balloon. It combines the toughness of a Moab, a lead balloon, a camo balloon, and then all the balloons inside are camo regen ceramics. And today, we're going to be showing you 9 easy ways to pop the DDT. So, number 1, probably the best way to do it is a Roboplasma. So if we get a Roboplasma here, and we get a Mib, we're just putting up a Mib because other strategies do it. And we're going to send out a DDT, and we're going to end its life. Yeah, bye-bye DDT. Poor DDT, it didn't stand a chance. And you can send out multiple DDTs, like right here. Send out 3, destroys them all. I mean, 5. It's 5 DDTs. It can wreck almost infinite DDTs. It's so good. It's probably the best tower to pop all these DDTs. For the next strategy, we're going to need a Comanche defense. It's a very underused tower, not very expensive, with a pursue. And we're gonna drop a DDT. It has to be under a Mib. Very important. The Moab shove also gives it, it slows down the DDT because DDTs are very fast. And when it spawns its Comanches, ends it so fast. Super good. Super good with its Comanche. It's with his Comanche bros. Just look at how good this guy is. He doesn't do too great by himself, but with Comanche, with the help of his Comanche defense, they wreck it. It doesn't matter. So, that was one way. The next way is a 2-0-4 Spectre, Monkey Ace, whatever you want to call him, has to be under a Mib because of the lack of lead popping powers. So that's another DDT. It is destroying the DDT. It is a fairly expensive, very effective way to beat the DDT. Next way, we are going to use a Moab Assassin. Just to remind you, this ability in the Moab Assassin and a cluster bomb. No, that's not a cluster. That's a recursive cluster with missiles. So the cluster bomb, and then you pop the Moab Assassin, takes out all the DDT, takes off the DDT layer, and then the cluster bomb is there to finish it up. This is a fairly cheap strategy, coming around about $8,000, probably just about as expensive as a Purple Monkey. The next very easy, effective way to do it is a Transforming Tonic. You use his ability, not him himself, so we gotta wait for this ability to load, and we can pop this DDT. So this is him trying to pop a DDT before the ability. He can't do it. And after the ability, he absolutely destroys the DDT. That DDT had no chance. We're gonna hope he can pop both of these because there we go. Good boy. He just ran out of transformation. Pretty easy. These next ways do not need a village. What happened? These next ways do not need a village. This next way is a 2-4 Spike Storm with the ability. The ability is very important to this. Ready? DDT, Spike Storm. DDT stood no chance. No chance at all. Okay. We're just gonna see what he does without spikes ability. He cannot pop it. There is not enough road spikes to do that. So we're just gonna kill everything. And we're just gonna clear up the last of these spikes with a DDT. Okay, that's what we needed to do. This next way is cost 3 dirt, 3 ninja monkeys. Use a sticky bomb with sharp shurikens. Oh, sorry. You don't need 2 thickers. And then you need 2 balloon jutsus. Counterdops. Pops, it destroys the DDT layer. It's very easy, is that not? Let's go to another one. Another one, another one. 3 DDTs right there. They destroy it. That is so easy. Doesn't do great against a lot of DDTs, but against 1 DDT for coming in and out $10,000. It does. This next way is an arcane spike. Makes sense. 1 DDT. It is so good. It does let the balloons regenerate, but it pops them easily. This next way also it involves 2 phoenixes. With the monkey sets, because they need camera. And they need the ability. The ability is what pops the DDT. Ready? I'll show you guys what happens without the phoenixes. Phoenixes are kind of like specters. Let's show you what happens without the phoenixes. These guys can't stand against one of these DDTs without their phoenixes. So that's why they're for. And for this last one, we have a 0-2-5 crossbow master under a MIB to get that lead popping power. You're willing to buy that MIB. Ends it. Another one. Show you that again. Look at how fast he just melts that thing. This guy is so good, and he's also good against all kinds of other balloons. Like, if I sent out 75 rainbows, I'm just showing you how good this guy is. Look at how fast. He's just so good. He's probably one of the best ways to do it. But, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you had a great day.